I'm going to our compressor room. I think there we want to launch our not new but used and powerful compressor that you guys helped me to buy, and I want to show it to you. It looks like this. This compressor don't looks so big and powerful, but it's very powerful, more powerful than my old compressor. I think my old have power 500 liters per minute. This compressor have 8 liter per minute, 800, sorry. And I want to show you that we name it compressor Gold because you from Gold Rotary Club help us to buy it and working better than before this fire accident and this terrible war. I do another video, sorry.